Let's quickly calculate the body mass index. The body mass index, that is BMI, which is this is the formula we're going to be using, which is equals to weight in kg, height in meters. Okay, to start that, I'll have to put my cell where I want the answer to appear. Okay, then I'll start with the equal to. Don't forget the Z formula begin with the equal to. Then in this case, which is weight divided by height. It is divided by height. Then I'll have to divide the value to convert it. I'll have to divide it by 100. Then I'll close the bracket. Then I'll have to square it by 2. It has been squared. Then I'll just hit enter key. I'll just drag to calculate using the fill handle to calculate for others. Right, so this is the body mass index for these various data. Thank you. Please share, subscribe. The video is useful to you. Please share and subscribe.